Hi students, good morning. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi to 180 degrees, that is a comma b comma c are the angles of a triangle, then prove that sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c is equal to 2 sin a sin b into cos c. 2 sin a sin b into cos c. By using the formulas, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. 1 minus cos 2a. So, from this one, sin square a is equal to sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Sin square a is equal to sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Now this is LHS. Sin square a, so this is 1 minus cos 2a by 2 plus sin square b 1 minus cos 2b by 2 minus sin square c 1 minus cos 2c by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that is you can take 1 by 2 is taking common. So this is 1 minus cos 2a plus 1 minus cos 2b. You can multiply with minus 1 plus this is cos 2c plus cos 2c. So here, so this is 1 gets cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 2. Multiply with 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 of, so this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of, so this is cos, minus is taken common, cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Let this is 1. Now we have to consider only this part. Now consider cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c. So yesterday we discussed more number of problems on this model. Same process again. So this is cos c minus cos d form. What is cos c minus cos d form? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2a plus 2b by 2 into sin. So this is 2a minus 2b by 2 plus this is cos 2c. Cos c minus cos d, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. That is minus 2 of, so this is a sin of, so 2 common, this is a plus b into sin of, this is a minus b plus cos 2c plus cos 2c. So this is minus 2 into, right, this is sin of, where a plus b equal to 180 degrees minus c. 180 pi minus c, 180 minus c into this is a sin of a minus b plus this is cos 2c. So this is minus 2 sin 180 minus c is sin c into this is sin of a minus b plus you write cos 2c form in terms of sin, because of what? Here we are having sin c is there. So this write 1 minus 2 sine square c. Now we write 1. So this is 1. First I can write is 1 is here. From these two you can take 2 sine c is taken common. 2 sine c is taken common. Now this is a sine of a minus b. Take minus is taken common, so this becomes plus sine c. Plus sine c. So this is 1 minus 2 sine c. 1 minus 2 sine c into, so this is the sine of a minus b plus sine c can be written as 180 minus of a plus b. 180 minus of a plus b. So this is 1 minus 2 sine c into, so this is the sine of a minus b. Sine of 180 minus theta equal what? Again sine theta. So this is plus sine of a plus b. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine c. So this is 1 minus 2 sine c into, so sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is equal to, so this is 2 sine a cos b. Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b. So this is equal to 1 minus, this is 4, multiplying this, 4 sine a cos b into sine c. Sine c. Now from 1, so in place of you substituting this value, so that is LHS is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 of in place of you write the value 1 minus 4 sine a cos b and sine c. Sine c. So this is equal to 1 by 2 minus, we are multiplying, minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 4 by 2 is 2. This is sine a cos b and sine c. So 1 by 2 gets cancelled. Therefore there is 2 sine a cos b sine c. Now so this is what, so the previous is given wrong. So this is 2 sine a, prove that 2 sine a cos b into sine c. Okay, hence this is the result, 2 sine a cos b sine c. Next one, if a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c equal to pi. Angles of a triangle. Then prove that cos square A plus cos square B minus cos square C is equal to 1 minus 2 sin A sin B into cos C. A, B, C are the angles of a triangle. By using this also, cos 2A formula 2 cos square A minus 1. So 2 cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A. Cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Now taking LHS. LHS is 1 plus cos 2A by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2B by 2 minus, so this is cos square C is 1 plus cos 2C by 2. So you can take 1 by 2 is taking common, same as the 1 by 2 common. So this is 1 plus cos 2A plus 1 plus cos 2B multiplying with minus. So this is minus 1 minus cos 2C. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So this is equal to 1 by 2 of, again this is 1 plus cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2C. Again same as the previous sum, so this is let it be 1. Now we have to consider only this part. Now consider cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2C. Now this is again cos C plus cos D form. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2, 2A plus 2B by 2 into cos 2A minus 2B by 2. So minus this is cos 2C minus cos 2C. So this is 2 into, so this is cos of, so there is 2 is taken common, so this is what, A plus B. A plus B into this is what, cos of, this is A minus B minus this is cos 2C. So this is 2 into cos of, so this is 180 minus C, because A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus C into this is cos of A minus B. Okay, A minus B. Minus this is cos 2C. So this is cos of pi minus C equal to cos of 180 minus theta is what, minus. Minus this is 2 cos minus 2 cos C into this is cos of A minus B minus cos 2C form you write in terms of cos, that is what, 2 cos square C minus 1 cos 2C, because it is cos is there. So this is minus 2 cos C into this is cos of A minus B minus 2 cos square C plus 1. Minus of 1 is plus 1. So I can write first 1. So that is equal to 1. I can write 1 is 1. And from these two, I can take minus 2 cos C is taking common. Minus 2 cos C is taking common. So this is cos of A minus B plus cos C. Cos of A minus B plus cos C. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 cos C. This is cos of A minus B plus cos of C can be written as 180 degrees minus of A plus B. Okay, cos of 180 minus theta equal to what? Minus cos theta. So this is 1 minus 2 cos C into this is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. That is equal to 1 minus 2 cos C into, so this is cos of A minus B minus B. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is equal to what? 2 sin A sin B. That is 2 sin A sin B. I can write it directly. So just you know this formula. I gave all the formulas for this. So whatever this one, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Or you write the expansion for this and expansion for this. Two terms gets cancelled. You get 2 sin A sin B. That is equal to 1 minus 4. This is sin A sin B into cos C. This is the only for this value. So this is the value. Now what about from 1? So in place of cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2C, you write the value. So from 1. From 1, that is LHS is equal to 1 means this is 1. In place of this, so write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 plus in place of you write 1 minus, so this is 1 minus 4 sin A sin B into cos C. If I multiply this, so this is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1 minus 2 by 4 by 2 is 2 times 2. So this becomes what? 2. So 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1. So this is 4 by 2, that is 2. This is 4, this is 2 sin A sin B into cos C. So this is our required result. Next one, if A plus B plus C equal to pi, a plus b plus c equal to pi, means 180 degrees. Then prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. A plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. Then prove that. So using the same format, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 and cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. In place of a, if I write a by 2, in place of a write a by 2, 2 into a by 2. So cos a, 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. From this 2 cos square a by 2. 2 cos square a by 2 equal to what? 1 plus cos a. So cos square a by 2 equal to 1 plus cos a by 2. Using the same formula we are applying repeated number of times. Now this is LHS. LHS cos square a by 2 1 plus cos a by 2 plus 1 plus cos b by 2 plus 1 plus cos c by 2. So if you take 1 by 2 is taken common, so 1 plus cos a plus 1 plus cos b plus 1 plus cos c, that is equal to 1 by 2. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 3 plus cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Or that is equal to, this is 3 by 2. If you are applying, this is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 of, 1 by 2 of, this is cos a plus cos b plus cos c. So this is 1. Again we have to consider this one, cos a, consider cos a. So this is LHS. Now take cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Now this is cos c plus cos d form. Again the same format. Yesterday we did more number of problems. So this model, again this is cos c plus cos d. So this is 2 cos c plus d by 2, where c and is a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos c. So this is 2 cos of a plus b by 2 is equal to what? A plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. So dividing by 2, a plus b plus c by 2 equal to 90 degrees. So a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2, or c by 2 equal to 90 minus of a plus b by 2. So yesterday class we discussed detailed all these things. So a plus b by 2 means what? 90 minus c by 2 into this is cos of a minus b by 2 plus this is cos c. So this is 2 into cos of 90 minus c by 2 is what? So first quadrant sin c by 2 into this is cos of a minus b by 2 plus, now write the formula for cos c in terms of sin. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Now you write 1 first, 1. For these two here, this and this, you can write 2 sine c by 2 is taking common. So this is what? Cos of a minus b by 2. Okay, minus, so this is sine c. Minus sine c. So this is 1 plus, so this is 2 sine c by 2 into, this is cos of a minus b by 2 minus sine c can be written as 90 minus of 90 degrees minus of a plus b by 2. 90 minus of a plus b by 2. So here 1 plus, that is 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 by 2, and this is sine of 90 minus, so there is cos. So this minus cos of a plus b by 2. So this is 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, same as 2 sine a cos sine b, where a means a by 2, b is b by 2. So this is, are you right? This is cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. 1 plus, this is 2 sine c by 2 into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is what? 2 sine a sine b. So this is 2 sine, where a is a by 2 and sine b is b by 2. So that is equal to, the whole thing is 1 plus 2 to the 4 sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. Okay, this is the value only for this cos a plus cos b plus cos c. After this, so from 1 you substituting in place of this value. Therefore, from 1 LHS equal to, LHS means this one. In place of cos A plus cos B plus cos C, write the value. So this is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 of 1 plus, so this is 4 sine A by 2 plus sine b by 2 plus sine not plus product sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. So this is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 times of, so this is 4 by 2 is 2 of sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by c by 2. So this is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is what? 4 by 2, which is 2. So this is 2 plus this is 2 plus 2 sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. If take 2 is taken common, this is 1 plus sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. So this is RHS. Next one, same model problem, you try yourself. If a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 is equal to 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. So same model problem, just only the difference is what? In place of previous sum it is plus, it is given minus. So process is same. And the second problem, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0 degrees, then prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to, so this is minus 4 sin a, sin b and sin c. Next one, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. So this is also one important problem, pi by 2. Then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. So you try these two problems. This is in somewhere we can use the results. If a plus b plus c equal to pi by 2, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal to, so this is the standard result, 1 plus 4 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. Now this one, a plus b plus c equal to given pi by 2. Now LHS cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. This is equal to, right, cos c plus cos d form, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2, that is a plus b, into cos of c minus d by 2, 2a minus 2b by 2, so which is a minus b, plus cos 2c. Now this is 2 into cos of a plus b plus c equal to pi by 2. A plus b equal to what? Pi by 2 minus c, that is 90 minus c, into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to what? Sin theta. So this is 2 sin c into this is cos of a minus b plus cos 2c formula, right, in terms of sin, because it is sin c is there. So this also you write in terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square c. Now 1 you write here plus 2 sin c, 2 sin c is taken common, 2 sin c is taken common. So this is cos of a minus b minus this is sin c minus sin c. So that is 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin c into, so this is cos of a minus b minus sin of, where c is equal to what? What about c is equal to? Pi by 2 minus of a plus b. So this pi by 2 means, pi by 2 means 90. So this is sin of 90 degrees minus of a plus b. So this is 1 plus 2 sin c of, so this is cos of a minus b, and this is sin of 90 minus theta equal to what? Cos. So this is cos of a plus b. Now this is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b equal to 2 sin a sin b. 1 plus 2 sin c into, so this is 2 sin a into sin b. Or you write the expansion of this, and these two terms gets cancelled. So we have 2 sin a sin b. 1 plus this is 4 sin a into sin b into sin c. So this is the value. Next one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2, then prove that prove that cos square A plus cos square B minus cos square C is equal to minus 2 cos A cos B sin C. So all problems in this exercise are same model problems. If you have to practice 2 or 3 problems more number of times, automatically the remaining problems you feel more comfort. Every problem is same process. All problems are same model. But one thing is given, sometimes A plus B plus C equal to given 180 degrees, A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2, 90 degrees, A plus B plus C equal to sometimes 0 degrees, sometimes A plus B plus C equal to 270 degrees, that is 3 pi by 2. So this problem is 3 pi by 2. So rest of the thing is everything is same. You know cos square A formula. What is cos square A in terms of cos? Cos square is 1 plus cos 2A by 2 LHS. Cos square B is 1 plus cos 2B by 2 minus 1 by 2 of 1 minus 1 plus cos 2C by 2. Now, if you take 1 by 2 is taken common, 1 by 2 common, 1 plus cos 2A plus 1 plus cos 2B minus 1 minus cos 2C. 1 by 2 is taken common, 1 plus cos 2A, 1 plus cos 2B, minus of this, minus 1 minus cos. So these 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 by 2 of, so this 1 plus cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2C. That is equal to 1 by 2, if you multiply this, plus 1 by 2 of 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 of this, cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2C. So let it be, this is 1. Now we have to consider, so this is cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2C. So, okay, again this is the as usual regular process. This is cos C plus cos D form. So this is 2 cos C plus D by 2, 2A plus 2B by 2, so which is A plus B, into cos of A minus B, minus cos 2C. So this is 2 into cos of, but A plus B plus C equal to 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means what? 270 degrees. What about A plus B? 270 degrees minus C. Into this is cos of A minus B minus cos 2C. So cos of 270 minus C. 270 minus C is third quadrant. Cos negative. So that is minus 2 sin C. Minus 2 sin C. Into this is cos of A minus B minus cos 2C formula in terms of sin, because it is sin is there. So 1 minus 2 sin square C, that is minus 2 sin C into cos of A minus B. This is minus 1 plus, for multiplying, plus 2 sin square C. 2 sin square C. Now this is what you write, minus 1, that is equal to, that is minus 1. So okay, minus 1. This is minus 2 sin C is taking common. Minus 2 sin C common. Common. So this is cos of A minus B. And minus I am taking common. So this becomes what? Minus sin C. minus sin C. So this is equal to minus 1 minus 2 sin C of, this is cos of A minus B minus sin of C can be written as, what about C is equal to 270 degrees minus of A plus B. So this is 270 degrees minus of A plus B. A plus B. That is equal to minus 1 minus 2 sin C. So this is cos of A minus B. Sin of 270 minus theta. So third quadrant, sin is negative. Already minus is there. Minus of minus plus. So this is plus, this is cos of A plus B. That is equal to minus 1 minus 2 sin C into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. That is equal to minus 1 minus 4 this is cos A cos B into sin C to sin C. Now from 1, what about this LHS 1? From 1, in place of this, you write the value. So from 1, that is LHS equal to, so already it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 of value, minus 1 minus 4 cos A cos B into sin C. That is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 2 is 2 cos A cos B and sin C. So 1 by 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to what? Minus 2 cos A cos B and sin C. So this is the result. Okay, thank you.